Once upon a time, on a beautiful morning, the sun was slowly rising on the horizon, and the birds were singing sweetly in the trees. Ali, a curious and innocent young boy, was getting ready to leave the mosque with his father after their prayers. In the garden outside the mosque, a colorful bird named Kaku sat on the branches, chirping happily, catching Ali's attention. Ali gazed at the bird with awe and asked his father, "Baba, does this bird live here always?" His father smiled and replied, "Yes, my son, this bird reminds us of the beauty of Allah's creations. It symbolizes joy and peace." As they were about to exit the mosque, Ali's father turned to him affectionately and said, "My dear, do you know there is a Sunnah, tradition, for leaving the mosque as well?" Ali looked intrigued and asked, "What Sunnah, Baba?" Gently, his father explained, "When we exit the mosque, we should first step out with our left foot and recite a special prayer, which means, 'O Allah, I ask you for your bounty.'" Ali eagerly tried to memorize the prayer, while his father encouraged him. Kaku the bird chirped melodiously from the branch, as if urging Ali to follow the tradition. At the mosque's doorstep, Ali paused respectfully, reciting the prayer he had just learned, and he stepped out with his left foot. His father beamed with pride and said, "Well done, my son. You have followed the Sunnah. May Allah bless you with His grace." Kaku chirped in what seemed like happiness for Ali's achievement. The beautiful scene outside the mosque unfolded with birds chattering in the trees, children playing, and Ali walking peacefully home with his father. On their way, Ali excitedly told his father, "Baba, I will always recite this prayer and exit the mosque with respect." Lovingly, his father responded, "Son, those who follow the Sunnah are blessed by Allah, and their prayers are accepted." Upon reaching home, Ali eagerly shared the lesson with his sister, teaching her the prayer. Delighted, his sister exclaimed, "Brother, I will go to the mosque too and recite the prayer." Kaku flew to Ali's window and chirped, as if listening to their conversation. The video concludes with the Ashraf animation logo and a beautiful message: understand and practice Islamic teachings. Subscribe to Ashraf Animation's YouTube channel for more inspiring videos. As soothing Islamic music played in the background, the prayer and its translation appeared on screen: "O Allah, I ask you for your bounty." Enhancements for the video highlight the beauty of the morning with sunlight, greenery, and chirping birds. Capture Ali's innocent expressions and his father's warmth. Feature Kaku as a joyous harbinger throughout.